I'm here in the parking lot at IKEA in Edmonton. I hear there's a ton of amazing things here for spring, so let's go inside and see what's new for spring 2022. I always love to go up the escalator and check out the showroom section in IKEA. I feel like they always have so much inspiration and share how you could actually use a lot of their products in a space. I especially love some of the more moody rooms that they're showing this year in their showroom section. This first product that's new for this year is the Berwick side table. What's cool about this one is that you can grab it by its handle and move it around the room really easily, and it is $49.99 Canadian. Okay, this one is one of my favorites, the Risholman chair. This is an indoor-outdoor rattan chair. It has a wing-back shape. Look how cute this is. I think this would look so cute beside a fireplace, flanked on either side. It would look amazing on a front porch. $249 Canadian. You could use one of their chair pads or DIY your own. I also love this Bagabo cabinet. It's only $50 Canadian and it has sort of an industrial look. I actually haven't seen this one before, so I'm not sure how new it is, but I feel like it's a really great deal. Could work in a bathroom, in a living room, pretty much anywhere. This is new, the Perjohan stool, I think that's how you pronounce it, $39 Canadian. So it's a really, really good price. I love that it has this little storage spot underneath. I love that you can grab it by the top. There's also a longer version that you could put beside a table. I think these are so fantastic. You could paint them, you could stain them, you could leave them as is. These are new too, the Bergamund chairs. So they're a chair that you could put one of IKEA's slip covers on. They could work in all sorts of different decor situations. Also love this Turnaby table lamp. It has one of those like retro oil lamp looks. It's $30 Canadian. This bedding is beautiful. It has a pink paisley pattern on it, so it could be really sweet in a girl's room or more of a romantic looking room. Really great value for the duvet set. Now let's go downstairs to the marketplace. This is so amazing. The blue version of the Gladalig dishware is here. I've always loved the gray version. I'm always on the hunt for any of the bowls and spoons. Great value for 4 packs of these. Comes in a large cereal bowl, comes in a smaller ice cream bowl, dinner plates, dessert plates, plus they also have matching mugs as well, just like they did with the gray version. So I have some of the mugs in the gray, but I think these blue ones would look so beautiful for our little lake house rental. I love that they have sort of a handmade pottery look, and they're also a great deal at $4.99 Canadian for the mug. In the textile section, they have this new Tofto pillow cover. It kind of has a bit of a nautical look to it with this tied rope, $10 Canadian, and I think it would look so neat in a modern coastal room. They also have these Innsvep baskets, so you get 2 of them. They're a little bit pricey, I think, for $60. However, I feel like they're one of those pieces that could stand the test of time. They'd look beautiful in a country decor. They'd be so beautiful for outside. I love this Starkwind air purifier table. This is such a great idea. So not only do you have an air purifier for your space, but it's also a functional table. And I think it actually looks pretty cute with this sort of bleached wood look. It's $239, which is about how much you would pay for a small air purifier. Also love this lamp. So it's actually a Wi-Fi speaker, and then it has sort of a modern looking lampshade. Also a really interesting concept. This Svardborg area rug is really cute. It has so much texture. I like it a lot. I think it's a pretty good value for the natural fiber. However, I feel like it would be really hard to keep clean. This one, the Hem Uden area rug, is a little cheaper, and I feel like it would be a lot easier to clean in a family home. This is a new mirror, the Remibo mirror, $159. It has that antique vintage look. It is a floor mirror, so nice and large. Love the gold frame. This mirror is also new, the Lindben mirror. What I love about this one is that it has storage behind it. So it has these shelves behind it. This would be so amazing for a bathroom. I kind of wish I would have got this one for our little lake house bathroom with all of the storage, but it still has that modern look. IKEA also has some beautiful faux florals for the season. These Fakia faux florals in a set of 3. Really cute for a sort of a seasonal or Easter display, and they're only $4 for 3 of them. This little butterfly decoration is also really cute, has a little matching cloche you could put, but what I really love in this section is this fluted Stilren vase. $15, so beautiful. I love the classic fluted look and the off-white color. Also loving IKEA's Smycke faux floral stems. So they have these beautiful faux tulips. I think they look really nice actually. I love the leaves on them. $12 for a bundle. Or they have this faux bouquet. I actually really love the colors in this one. A lot of those really warm oranges and peaches, and this one is $12.99 for the bundle. Would look so pretty for Easter or spring table decor. This was interesting, the Adoric decor. So you could pop one of these in a DIY floral arrangement or use it in some sort of interesting DIY. Also loving these plant pots. White is always such a great classic color to buy for plant pots or any home decor accessories, but what I really love is the scalloped edging on both of these white porcelain pots. They're also a great value at $7.99 or $9.99. This chair is fantastic, the Vas Holman indoor-outdoor chair. It reminds me of a vintage French bistro chair. $95, has a beautiful black and white look. I feel like this would be pretty easy to clean. Now let's go to the warehouse and grab everything that I want to get today. So there were so many goodies. So let's go home. I'll show you exactly what I bought and how I styled it. First up, I did buy the Perhohen stool because I thought this would be fantastic in our little lake house rental. We need a way to get up to the high portions of our living room storage, plus I wanted some extra storage for kids' books. So I decided to paint this in the same yellow color that my entrance bench is painted in. There's really nothing else in the cabin that's exactly this color, so I thought this was an easy way to tie this color in. I'm just using a foam roller and a brush to paint this on, and then once everything's completely dry, I'm putting it together, adding some felt pads to the bottom, and placing it in our little house. I'm putting some kids' books on the bottom, and then this is also a little stool that our guests can use to grab some games from the top of this storage unit. The next item I purchased is the Starkwind air purifier table. I thought this was such a great idea and perfect for our rental. So I did actually buy the gas filter that you could add to this unit to make it even more effective. I'll leave the stats for this air purifier down in the description box below. I believe it does purify up to 200 square feet. So I'm gonna put it in the living room at our little lake house. And then I have another air purifier in the bedroom area. You can cover the cord right inside the table so it doesn't take up too much space. I'm gonna plug it in here beside our chair in our living room. And then you can actually attach it to IKEA's Home app, or you can just manually adjust it, set it on auto, or turn it up and down. Now our guests can have a little coffee on this table, but then this table is double duty as an air purifier solution as well. I also bought a few of the blue Gladalig dishware pieces, so I bought some of the mugs and some of the little plates to go along with it. I just could not resist the beautiful color and texture of this dishware. I got the still Rin vase as well. I'm using this in my own home. I think it looks so pretty on the sideboard that I DIY'd a few weeks ago. It has that classic sort of vibe to it, and I put some of the Smicka faux tulips inside. This is so beautiful for spring, and it was a great deal. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this IKEA shop with me. Let me know down in the comments below which of these items is your absolute favorite. Are you gonna grab any for spring? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas on a budget. I'm gonna leave some more videos that I hope you will enjoy watching next up in that left-hand corner.